Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kuya Boy, happy
birthday!
60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boy!
Enjoy sa birthday mo. Pasyal tayo sa Iloilo pag uwi ko. Ingat.
Ingat po, ingat po.
Birthday boy, magpagaling ka sa magpalakas.
Birthday, magpalakas ka at magpagaling. Para pag hindi ka malisis, mag-alaga ka ng manok na Texas o pansabong. Maluwag yata yung bakod mo dyan eh.
Hi, Ronald, my classmate. Happy birthday. Bless you always and take care always.
Happy 60th birthday, batchmate Ronald Calopez. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and many more blessed years ahead. Enjoy your special day. Once again, a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mate Ronald. Dual citizen ka na. Enjoy your discount. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Take care of yourself.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boy!
We wish you have a good health always and enjoy your 60th birthday.
Happy 60th birthday!
Happy birthday, Ronald. Wish you good health. Get well soon.
Hello, Papa Pinang family, happy birthday. I wish you have many more birthday to come and God bless. Thankful na naka-recover ka sa pinagdaanan mo at sana magtuloy-tuloy na siya. Enjoy your being lolo for Butsukoy and welcome to the club for the senior citizen. So, marami na tayong mag-discount ngayon every time na lalabas tayo. So, enjoy lang. Happy birthday! This is your birthday cake.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday!
Hello po, Kuya Kalops. I hope and pray na lagi po kayong nasa mabuti kalagayan, malusog na pangatawan, kasama po ng iyong family. Palakas at pagaling po kayo para makapag-process na po kayo ulit. Hehehe. Inaantay na po kayo ng kombi. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga natulong, naituro, sa mga pasalubong na buko pie at sa samahang tawanan at kainan. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo, 60th birthday. God bless po and laging happy lang po tayo. Ruby Nolasco po, DPO.
Happy birthday, Ronald! Nako, dual citizen na. Oh, knitted fabric yan. Sana marami pang birthday. Sayang, hindi ako makadalo. Pero sana maging masaya ang celebration mo. Happy birthday! Regards sa lahat ng nandyan.
Hi Ronald, happy 60th birthday. We wish you good health, happiness as always, and enjoy your perks for being a senior citizen. Si Kalopez sobrang sipag niyan, laging gustong pumasok sa work, laging nag-extend ng help sa mga colleagues niya. So this time, enjoy being a senior citizen, and thank you for being a good employee. And again, happy 60th birthday. Bye-bye!
Hello Kuya Kalops, kumusta? Napansin mo yung background picture ko sa likod? Nung araw ito, dito rin tayo celebrate ang birthday mo. So nga lang, dalawa na lang tayo natira. Anyway, happy birthday at magpagaling ka. Inaantay ka na ng team.
Hi Sir Kalops, happy 60th birthday. It's just like yesterday, 30 years old ka pa lang, but today you're 68 now. What a milestone. Ang hirap kaya magpanggap maging healthy na. Yes, I'm so happy for you to celebrate this birthday. I wish I can celebrate it with you guys. Alam mo, isa ka sa mga taong hinahangaan ko dahil sa pagiging genuine at you're always true to yourself. And hindi ka lang pogi, kundi isa ka talagang magaling, dedicated, and isa ka sa naging asset ng team at ng company. You always know your priority, which is your family. Have a blast, celebrate it very well, and enjoy it. Seize the moment. But then, isa lang masasabi ko, take care of yourself. Be healthy always. I'm looking forward to celebrate your next birthday with the guys. And I'm very happy and always pray and wish you well and many, many more birthdays to come and celebrate. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday na Ronald. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kalops. Welcome to your dual citizenship. Good health and good vibes. Happy birthday!